DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward in this 1 minute video. I'm telling you whether Trump media stock or Trump media and technology stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1 minute video till the end. The thing blew up 31%. Now I'm not going to talk anything fundamentally because, you know, there's a lot of censorship around it. I'm just going to talk completely technical analysis. By the way, context, all I'm using is my strategy that's previously delivered thousands of wins. So if you want to learn the strategy, you just check the first link in the description. But with DJT, I love it. I mean, my target is still going to be that high for sure. But like technically, like all I'm looking for right now is either the price, like sure, the pullback or that retrace needs to happen for me to buy. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. You know, the price doesn't give if it doesn't give me the rules, then you bet I'm not going to buy. So I'm going to keep you updated. Like, still gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient. There's no need to force stuff whatsoever. I'm just gonna wait. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.